boy. So they want us done with furniture installed. Oh man. We want to be done with furniture install as well. However, there's just some things that are not completed. And we don't want to rush nobody, but I mean, I know everybody needs to get a job done. Where it just seems like not everything is complete 100%. So over here, we need to set furniture. We just don't have space. Not until all of this get cleared out. We got tables that goes along that wall. We're missing baseboard. We got all of this luckily set. However, still chaotic. All of this got pushed forward. Yeah. Did somebody just sit naked over there? Or is that just me? Wow. Impressive. We want to finish this area, but they still got something that goes in there. It's just never ending. We're always one of the last ones, along with the painters. We want to be done here, but check this out. Still work pending over there. It's been there for a week. It's just chaotic, you know. Everybody wants us to be done and just can't complete the areas if they're not completed first. So that's just want to be done with this area, but it's not complete. Luckily, we got done with this. Look at this nice little, looks like a little, like a cheap almost, right? We got the tree of life installed as well. That was chaotic. That thing is heavy. That couch just got pushed forward. So we installed it, got pushed forward. Now we got to push it back. Back and forth, back and forth. It's the 8 p.m. rant.